our exquisite TALOS Defender 110 Carpathian P525 V8 Delta Edition. Underneath the bonnet, the 5-litre V8 engine roars with 518 brake horsepower and 627 Newton-meters of torque, and under 520 miles on the clock, this pristine vehicle is available for £118,995. This masterpiece is enveloped in a sophisticated Carpathian Grey paint, featuring a custom OJZ exhaust system and an elegant spare wheel delete. The carbon fibre SVR bonnet inlays, rear wing, and side louvers add a touch of refined aggression. The vehicle stands proudly on gloss black 24-inch forged TALOS Hurricane wheels, further enhancing its imposing presence. Air suspension and a deployable tow bar ensure practicality meets luxury. Inside, the cabin exudes opulence, with a full black suede interior, Alcantara steering wheel, and complementary accents throughout, offering a tactile and visually stunning experience. Embrace elegance and power with the TALOS Defender 110 Carpathian P525 V8 Delta Edition.